Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I will show you really quickly how you can send images, for example in PNG or JPEG format, via emails on Microsoft Outlook. So let's get started. In the first step, head over to Microsoft Outlook, log into your Microsoft account, and once you're inside your inbox, guys, click on that button here in the top left corner, new email, and enter your recipient's email address here to the right. Below that, submit the subject, and then start typing your email below. And what you want to do next, guys, is click on that paperclip icon here to attach the image or photo from your computer. For example, you can locate it on your computer or upload it or move it from your Microsoft OneDrive account, and that way attach the image or photo file to your email. That may or may not take a moment depending on the file size, of course. And once the upload process has been finished, you will be ready to send that email with the attached image or photo to your recipient by clicking on that send button here. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.